Hey there! Are you eager to help job seekers land their dream jobs, transform lives, or create additional revenue stream? We have developed a unique set of AI tools that help job seekers train and prepare for interviews so they can ace every job interview. Tens of thousands of job seekers have already used and loved our platform. We offer two operational models. Companies can cover the costs for job seekers, or job seekers can pay on their own. The ability to sponsor job seekers so they do not need to pay for the services is a great option for government agencies, universities, coaching agencies, and workforce redeployment organizations. On the other hand, in the model where job seekers pay for the services, you receive a commission from each sale. This is ideal for job portals, blogs, or influencers. Our affiliates also promote our Interview AI pre-screening service to companies that are looking to deploy AI avatar-based interview flows. The best part is, you can get our platform under your brand and domain. The tool includes all key features: interview coach with AI avatars for interactive interview preparation, resume checker for feedback and improvement suggestions, and cover letter creator for personalized letters. This tool simplifies the job application process. For more info, watch our introduction video. Trust us, this is just the start. The market is headed in this direction, and JobMojito is all set to lead the wave. So why not bring this innovation into your firm and secure additional revenue? You can check out this sample consumer portal at careermojito.com or talk to us to better understand how we can partner and offer these great services to job seekers. Registration of your branded account won't take more than 3 minutes and is free of charge. Jump into the future of interview preparation. Let's work together to provide job seekers with the tools to secure their dream job. YourJobMojito.com.